Hey guys, Gamerboy here, and today this is the review for my AG159P after 1 week of usage. Sabihin ko na sa inyo to guys, it is uncomfortable for me. Nangangalay ako guys. On my first day, I played Valorant for like 3 hours. Nangangalay na ako. The shape na. Dito ako nangangalay sa part na to. I tried to disregard it. Maybe I'm just, parang, ano lang to, naninibago lang siguro ako, but 1 week that I don't feel comfortable using this mouse kasi hindi siya para sa akin, I guess, kasi nangangali. I hate, hindi ko naman sa hate ko to, just doesn't fit with my, hands, I guess. Comparing it to the Attack X3, elevated siya sa gitna. Look, this is comfortable for me. Dito kasi pababa na siya sa gitna, tapos may bump siya dito sa taas, parang may missing gap dito sa which sucks, and the scroll wheel, holy moly, anong scroll wheel to? Sa Valorant ako, nagsaswap ako, biglang napipindot kasi simpleng pindot lang na konting push lang, yung scroll wheel nakiklik na compared to the other mouses here. Dito, look, diba? Tapos ang sobrang dulas. Hindi ko alam kung linuban to ng todo-todo. I don't know. It's just tas tama lang kung pagpindot nila. Ito, mapipindot na agad yung scroll wheel. Kaya siguro kung naglalaro ka ng mga games na focusing on the scroll wheel, tapos napipindot, this one is not for you. And the skates, they're kinda decent. Di naman sa maganda siya, di rin sa pangit. Decente lang naman. Yun lang guys. It just sucks for me. Siguro, if you want to get like a charging dock plus extender combo, I think this mouse is for you. But for me, hindi talaga ako comfortable dito sa mouse na to. It's a shame. I really like the color scheme. This mouse, I'll rate it a 7. There are much more better mouse for me. Thanks for watching guys.